Oh.
Whoa! It's so squishy. That is absolutely crazy.
Do you want to squish it?
Whoa. You know, I've never held a frog before. It's my first time.
Oh. I've never.
It's so weird. Oh, it's gonna jump.
I'm so glad that we could be
Oh my god. That is so...
your first frog holding experience.
Wow. That's so... It feels so funny. Alright, Hales, what are we doing today?
We're gonna get donuts, and then we're gonna go to an art museum, and then we're gonna do some stupid scavenger hunt thingy, and then we might go to like a ceramic place, and who knows what else. Just walk around town.
Just shenanigans all the time, every day. Thanks for always being the amazing driver.
Yeah, you're welcome, passenger princess.
Okay, so we decided not to because the donuts didn't look very promising, and there's another place closer that we know the donuts are really good at, so we're going to the other place. Shut up. Okay, we are now at the best place. How is it?
Meringue.
Is it lemon?
Have you had meringue?
No.
Try.
Oh, it's like spongy on top.
Yeah, it's meringue. You never had meringue pie?
No, I don't like that. I don't really like lemon stuff either. So good. That was so good. Yeah.
We're at the hockey rink.
Okay, so we are at this hockey rink. Phantoms. We're playing this scavenger hunt around the city. Let's see where it takes us. I don't know, it's some game that we have on the app, activities that we bought or whatever, all-inclusive thing.
Okay. During this game, you'll be asked to submit photos. Let's practice.
What do we need to do?
Take a picture in front of it. Playing tug of war.
Are you taking a photo?
It's not self-timer, baby.
Oh.
I don't know. Oh my god.
Playing tug of war.
Large iced coffee with oat milk.
Find Leonardo's what sculpture?
Horse.
And do the hokey pokey. I don't even remember how to do the hokey pokey. By the way, we're doing the game called Operation City Quest in Allentown, Pennsylvania. And this is what it is. Also, we're planning to go to an art museum, so that might be interesting. But I probably will not be able to bring this camera in. So I have to put it away. Okay, so art museum was fun. Now we have to do the hokey pokey in front of this horse for the scavenger hunt game that we still have yet to finish. Why don't we do it over here? This is the front of it. Look at how big it is.
Where am I going to put my phone?
Here, you can use my camera.
Put your right arm in.
Do the hokey pokey.
Okay.
Okay, so now we eat our free wraps that we got from work. Because free wraps are better than paying for food, low key. Even though they're the same wraps we have every Thursday. All right. To the farmer's market we go. I've never had corn salsa. So this guy just asked us what we wanted and we're like, we're both like dairy intolerant, can't eat it. And he was like, okay. Oh, look at that. That looks good. Okay, we're gonna try to go to this pottery place. And if not, we'll find something else to do. That poor guy.
Hi.
That's done. We're going to go to Goodwill and another video store, I guess. I don't know. We're just gonna vibe. Okay, I kind of want to get both of them. This one's a Phillies one. I don't know. Haley's not helping me decide.
I told her to get.
Why are you sitting so far away? You sat down.
These chairs are quite wobbly.
You sat down.
Grocery store salads.
No, I need to tell you a story. I used to go to the grocery store and go to the salad section and buy bags of croutons and wonton strips and eat them after school as a snack.
How much were they?
Don't know.
Oh.
But I eat a bag of croutons in one sitting and my mom get mad.
Andre was just like,
She'd be like, I bought them for my salad. I said, okay, and? They're gone now. They're my snack.
aren't they just like tortilla chips?
Croutons are like pieces of bread.
Oh. Well, yeah, I know it's square things, but those.
Oh. Yeah, they're wonton strips.
They're like tortillas, right?
Yeah.
But bubbly.
Yeah. Wontons.